Hello and welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make Kuršėnai, also known as the Kuršėnų roll. This is a spiral cake from Lithuania, and it has a nice cheesy filling. I think you'll all enjoy this. So, ingredients are relatively simple. For the cake, we only have 3 ingredients. We have 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of flour. That's it. The method makes a lot more of a difference, but that's all of our ingredients. For the filling, we also only have 3 ingredients. We have 200 grams of butter. We will use 200 grams, or about half a can, of sweetened condensed milk, and 200 grams, I'm guessing a little less than half of this, of curd. You can use the homemade German quark recipe that I had before, or the paneer recipe. Both of those are that. If you don't have that, you could probably use ricotta, which is also going to be similar. It has a substitute, or you could actually go and buy paneer and blend it up, which would also work. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my eggs, and then we will start beating the yolks with the sugar. So let's get started. So I've separated my eggs, and I'm going to add my sugar to the yolks. And while I beat these, I'm going to go ahead and put these on the stand mixer. If you only have a hand mixer, then beat the eggs after you get done with dealing with the yolks. So I'm just going to whip these with a whisk for a while, and I'll come back to show you what they should look like. In the meantime, this will go on the stand mixer. Now, as we beat the yolks, 2 things are going to happen. First of all, the yolks will become lighter and fluffier, and secondly, all the sugar will slowly dissolve. So this can take a few minutes. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Just keep beating it for a while, and eventually it will turn light and fluffy like it would for our Vietnamese egg coffee. So as we keep beating this will get a lot thicker. I've actually turned the stand mixer off because I now have stiff peaks, which is what we want on the egg white. But you're going to find that most of the sugars mixed in, and this is actually quite thick. So I'm going to start with maybe, a tablespoon or so of flour. Stir it in. Another bit of flour. Stir it in. This should eventually kind of form a nice sort of batter. And then we will start folding our stiff egg whites in a little at a time. Now we're going to take our egg whites a bit at a time. We're not going to do it all at once. And we're going to fold these in. By doing it a little bit at a time, we will get a better mixture. So we're going to put this in a 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter baking sheet in an oven preheated to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to come back and spread this around, and then this will go in the oven. So here's our cake layer right out of the oven. I'm going to let it set again for another 5 minutes, and then I'll roll it up. We want to roll it up while it's warm, but I'm not sure I want to roll it up while it's piping hot. Now, in my food processor, I'm going to take my now somewhat softened butter. Not super soft, but it's not hard. And I'm going to take the curd, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this until it's all perfectly smooth. So now that this is smooth, we will go ahead and scoop in our sweetened condensed milk, and we will blend this again until it's all smoothly incorporated, and everything is basically one homogeneous mass. Once that is done, I'm going to roll this gently into a large spiral. And this time I'm moving it off of the baking paper. But I'm going to use the baking paper to wrap it as I put it in the refrigerator. So at this point, I'm going to wrap this up, tuck the ends in like this to keep the mixture inside. And I will put this in the refrigerator for a few hours, and we'll be back this afternoon. So after a couple of hours of refrigerating, I'm going to go ahead and top it with a little bit, with a dusting of powdered sugar. And so I've just put some raspberries up. Blueberries would be more traditional, but the blueberries at the store didn't look very good, so I'm using raspberries instead. So next up, the taste test. And now for the taste test. It's very sweet, very rich. It's very soft, which is surprising to me because when I was first rolling it up, it was a little difficult to roll because the bottom was already a little bit solidifying a bit. So it softened up. So that's obviously why you need to roll it when it is still warm. The cream inside is just delicious. This is unlike anything else I've ever had. I mean, I've had spiral cakes before, but this is something a little different. Now, if you like this content, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you in the description. Recipes in the description if you're watching on YouTube or Patreon. Bon appetit, and see you next week.